Welcome back to Oraanj Interior Design, where we bring you the best in home decor and interior design ideas. If you're passionate about creating a stylish home while being mindful of the planet, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the world of eco-friendly furniture and how you can incorporate it into your home without compromising on style or functionality. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you love sustainable living. Your support helps us create more inspiring content and bring you the latest in eco-conscious interior design. And of course, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Share your thoughts, questions, or even your own eco-friendly design tips. Have you already incorporated sustainable furniture into your home? What's your favorite piece and why? We're building a community of like-minded design enthusiasts who care about the planet, so let's start a conversation. Plus, if there's a specific topic you'd love us to cover in future videos, let us know. We're always looking for fresh ideas to explore. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of stylish and sustainable interiors. Eco-friendly furniture is all about sustainability, using materials, production methods, and designs that minimize environmental impact. Whether it's reclaimed wood, upcycled materials, or innovative biodegradable products, these furniture pieces are designed to be as kind to the planet as they are beautiful in your home. The key things to look for in sustainable furniture are responsible sourcing, ethical production, durability, and recyclability. The goal is to invest in pieces that last longer, reduce waste, and support ethical craftsmanship. Responsible sourcing means selecting materials that are harvested or manufactured in ways that do not harm the environment, such as reclaimed wood, recycled metals, or bamboo. Ethical production ensures that workers involved in the creation of furniture are paid fairly and work under safe conditions, aligning with fair trade principles. Durability is another crucial factor. Opting for high-quality craftsmanship and materials ensures furniture will stand the test of time, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Recyclability refers to how easily a piece of furniture can be broken down and repurposed at the end of its life cycle, helping to keep materials in circulation rather than ending up in landfills. Many sustainable furniture brands now prioritize these factors, offering stylish yet environmentally responsible pieces that help create a home that is both beautiful and mindful of its impact on the planet. By making thoughtful choices, consumers can contribute to a more sustainable future while still enjoying well-designed, functional furniture. One of the biggest elements of eco-friendly furniture is the material itself. Let's talk about some of the most sustainable options you can consider when designing or furnishing your space. First up, we have reclaimed wood. This is a fantastic alternative to new timber because it reduces the need for deforestation. Whether it's sourced from old barns, ships, or repurposed furniture, reclaimed wood brings a unique character to a space with its natural weathering and history. Plus, no two pieces are ever exactly alike. Then there's bamboo, one of the fastest growing and most renewable materials available. Unlike traditional hardwood trees that take decades to mature, bamboo can be harvested in just a few years, making it a brilliant alternative. It's strong, durable, and perfect for furniture like chairs, tables, and even flooring. Recycled metal and plastic are also making waves in furniture design. With advancements in technology, manufacturers can transform waste materials into sleek, modern furniture pieces. Think stylish chairs, industrial-style shelving, and even elegant light fixtures made from repurposed metals. Another material that's gaining traction is cork. Not just for wine bottles and bulletin boards, cork is a natural, biodegradable, and renewable material that can be used for furniture, flooring, and even decorative wall panels. It has excellent soundproofing and insulation properties, making it a great addition to eco-conscious homes. Sustainability isn't just about buying new, eco-friendly furniture, it's also about giving existing pieces a second life. Upcycling is a fantastic way to transform old, worn-out furniture into something fresh and stylish. Instead of discarding an old wooden table, why not sand it down, apply a fresh coat of eco-friendly paint, and turn it into a chic statement piece? Or repurpose an old ladder into a bookshelf? With a bit of creativity, there are endless ways to give furniture a second chance while reducing waste. Even fabrics can be upcycled. Reupholstering chairs or sofas with sustainable textiles like organic cotton, hemp, or recycled polyester can make a huge difference in reducing landfill waste while still allowing you to enjoy stylish, comfortable furniture. Technology is playing a huge role in the evolution of sustainable furniture. We're seeing the rise of smart, energy-efficient designs that not only look good, but also contribute to a greener lifestyle. For example, there are now coffee tables with built-in solar panels that can charge your devices, or smart sofas with energy-saving LED lighting and modular designs that allow for longevity and adaptability. Even bed frames are getting smarter, with eco-conscious brands incorporating features like adjustable bases made from sustainably sourced materials. And let's not forget furniture that helps reduce indoor air pollution. Some brands are integrating air-purifying technology into their furniture, using special materials that filter out toxins and improve air quality in your home. When shopping for sustainable furniture, it's important to look for certifications that guarantee ethical and eco-friendly practices. Some of the most trusted labels include FSC-certified wood, Forest Stewardship Council, Green Guard certification, which ensures low chemical emissions, and Oecotex for non-toxic textiles. Another great tip is to buy local. Sourcing furniture from local artisans or manufacturers reduces carbon footprints associated with long-distance transportation and supports small businesses that prioritize craftsmanship and sustainability. Let's look at a real-life example of how eco-friendly furniture can transform a home. Recently, a young couple in London wanted to revamp their living space while keeping their carbon footprint low. They opted for a reclaimed wood dining table, paired it with bamboo chairs, and added vintage lighting fixtures found at a local thrift store. Instead of buying a brand new sofa, they reupholstered their existing one with organic linen fabric. They even incorporated smart, energy-efficient lighting and used recycled glass vases and planters for decor. The result? A stunning, stylish home that prioritizes sustainability without sacrificing aesthetics. As sustainability becomes an even bigger priority, the future of furniture design is looking more innovative than ever. We're seeing developments in biodegradable furniture made from mycelium, a fungus-based material, algae-based textiles, and even furniture that can be disassembled and fully recycled at the end of its life cycle. These advancements are reshaping how we think about interior spaces, with a strong focus on materials that are not only sustainable, but also contribute positively to the environment. One exciting innovation is the use of mycelium, which can be grown into specific shapes and forms, reducing manufacturing waste and offering a natural, compostable alternative to synthetic materials. Meanwhile, algae-based textiles are being developed for upholstery and soft furnishings, providing a renewable, non-toxic fabric option with a significantly lower environmental footprint than traditional synthetic fibers. Beyond materials, modular furniture is gaining popularity, allowing homeowners to adapt their interiors to changing needs rather than discarding and replacing entire pieces. Brands are also exploring circular economy models where customers can return old furniture for refurbishment or recycling, reducing landfill waste and extending product life cycles. With these innovations, the future of sustainable furniture design is not just promising, it's already transforming the way we furnish our homes. 3D printed furniture using sustainable materials is also on the rise, allowing designers to create custom, waste-free pieces tailored to individual needs. This method not only reduces material waste, but also enables intricate, innovative designs that wouldn't be possible through traditional manufacturing. The use of biodegradable or recycled filaments further enhances the eco-friendly aspect of 3D printed furniture, ensuring that pieces can either be composted or reprocessed at the end of their life cycle. Designers are experimenting with everything from plant-based plastics to recycled ocean waste, pushing the boundaries of sustainability in home decor. And with circular economy models gaining popularity, furniture brands are starting to offer take-back programs where old pieces can be returned, refurbished, and resold instead of ending up in landfills. These programs encourage a shift in consumer mindset from disposable purchases to long-term investments, reducing the overall environmental impact. Some companies even provide incentives, such as discounts on future purchases, to promote participation in these initiatives. The combination of 3D printing technology and circular economy strategies is paving the way for a more sustainable, waste-free future in furniture design, proving that innovation and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. Eco-friendly furniture is not just a passing trend, it's the future of interior design. By choosing sustainable materials, upcycling existing pieces, and investing in smart, energy-efficient designs, you can create a home that's as beautiful as it is kind to the planet. Sustainable furniture goes beyond just aesthetics. It embodies a philosophy of mindful consumption, ensuring that every piece in your home contributes to a healthier environment. By selecting materials like reclaimed wood, bamboo, or recycled metals, you're not only reducing waste, but also promoting responsible sourcing and craftsmanship. Upcycling old furniture can add unique character to your space while giving previously discarded items a second life. With a bit of creativity, an old cabinet can become a modern storage unit, or a vintage chair can be transformed with eco-friendly upholstery. Additionally, investing in modular furniture allows for adaptability over time, reducing the need for frequent replacements, and in turn, minimizing landfill waste. Incorporating technology into sustainable furniture, such as solar-powered lighting or energy-efficient smart furniture, further enhances the eco-conscious aspect of your home. The choices we make today define the future of interior design, and embracing sustainability ensures a greener, more stylish world for generations to come. We hope you found today's video inspiring. Let us know in the comments which eco-friendly furniture ideas you'd love to try in your own home.